He relies on these nuts to survive the coming winter. Every acorn must be wedged into its very own storage hole. Each takes a full 20 minutes of chiseling. And that could be a real headache. He and his family work as a team. Teamwork is also handy to keep an eye out for thieves. The side of a barn might offer a labor-saving shortcut, and another woodpecker family is taking advantage. Redwood cladding is softer than an oak tree, but it's not all going to plan. The cladding may be soft, but it's also thin. Not so clever now, huh? How frustrating. Sometimes the old ways are the best ways. For the oak tree family, their work has paid off. They've safely stored more than 4,000 acorns. Known as a granary, this is unlike anything else in nature.